A farmer had two married daughters. One was married to a potter and the other to a farmer. One day he asked each daughter how he could pray for them. The potter's wife said, "Pray for rain, so my husband's pots can sell well." The farmer's wife said, "Pray for dry weather, so our crops can grow." The farmer smiled and said, "I will pray that Allah grants each of you what is best." Morale: we may have different needs, but trusting Allah ensures we all receive what's best. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.